नमस्ते। इंडियन चलेगा में आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। भारत के कई रंगों में से एक है राखी या रक्षाबंधन का त्यौहार। इंडियन चलेगा की ओर से आप सभी को रक्षाबंधन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। Rakshabandhan literally meaning the bond of protection. This festival holds immense importance, more so in today's world, because our fast-paced lives and ever-growing vertical ambitions have forced our joint families to become nuclear ones. Today our brothers receive, I stress, receive their Rakhis in advance thanks to our postal and courier services. It will be interesting here to know something about this beautiful festival. There are many stories about it. One says that Rani Karnavati of Mewar sent a Rakhi to Emperor Humayun, and the emperor did everything possible to protect his Rakhi sister and the state of Mewar from the invasions of Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat. Sadly, before he could reach there, the women of Mewar and Rani performed Johar or self-immolation in order to protect their honor. Mythology too has its stories. It says Lord Yam announced that a man whom his sister Yamuna tied Rakhi to, and he who vowed to protect her would become immortal. Wow. One of the famous episodes that we know about is from our epic Mahabharata, wherein Draupadi tied a piece of her sari to the bleeding finger of Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna vowed to protect her as his sister, and he did so during the very infamous episode of the Chirharan. Isn't it amazing that relationships even today hold so much of importance, and that tying a thread around the wrist would strike the chords of the heart for a lifetime? Raksha Bandhan is not just a festival or a ritual, but also has been the symbol of unity and love whenever others have tried or outsiders have tried to break it. One of such events was witnessed in 1905 in Bengal, the most prosperous unit of India, be it monetarily, intellectually or politically, was divided into East and West Bengal by the British Raj under the Viceroy Lord Curzon. Yes, the same East Bengal which we today know as a separate nation, our neighbor Bangladesh. It was clearly an attempt to break the solidarity and the Hindu-Muslim unity of Bengal, which was becoming a great threat to the future aspirations of the island country. So the Swadeshi movement was launched against this partition, and it was during this movement that Rabindranath Tagore gave a call to his people to celebrate the festival of Raksha Bandhan as a symbol of Hindu-Muslim unity. Such is the strength and essence of this festival. I believe in today's changing scenario, it is not just limited to brothers protecting their sisters, but also vice versa. Also about every mother, about every father, and all those people, blood relations or not, who stand by each other in every circumstance and protect them, come what may. The celebrations of family, relationships and bonds is unique to our country and is the foundation of our entire well-being. Remember, if the base breaks, the entire building would collapse. A very special wish goes out to our brothers and sisters protecting us on the streets, the Indian police force, and at the borders, our defense forces. As Kishore Kumar brings it, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हज़ारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. आशा करते हैं कि आप हमेशा साथ रहें and stay safe. Do not drink and drive. Do not text and drive until we meet next. जय हिंद.